Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today we have a backpacker's pantry, hiking food or camping food, whatever you want to call it. And the menu is Louisiana red beans and rice, and this is a traditional Louisiana specialty in a spicy Cajun sauce. Just add boiling water. So we'll do that, we'll prepare it, and I'll give you my take on it, what I think about it, and yeah, let's do it. Alright, let's have a close look at it. Alright, so we have 1% for the planet. Not sure what that is. 300 calories per serving, 12 grams of protein per serving. This is a vegan and gluten-free meal, so animal-free, MRE. Hope you enjoyed the video. Makes 2 13-ounce servings. That pretty much covers the front. Net weight is 6 ounces. Alright, so we have a history of Backpacker's Pantry. You need 2.5 cups of boiling water. Stir well and seal for 15 to 20 minutes. Stir and serve. Rehydration time doubles every 5,000 feet of elevation gain, so we don't have to worry about that. Here's the ingredients, nutrition facts. You guys want to pause that? Made in Boulder, Colorado. Very nice. Just want to give a big shout out to all my viewers in Colorado. Alright, so let's get some water boiling and yeah, cook this thing. Alright, have our canteen cup. Can't go wrong with that. You need about 2.5 cups of boiling water. We'll use about 2 cups. Usually these entrees, almost always they, you put too much water in them, so we'll use about 2 cups of boiling water. Looks just about right. We have our handy penny stove, and we just crank up the heat. And you guys can watch that boil, and we'll be back in a minute. Alright, that took about a minute, maybe a minute and a half. I'll move that away. One thing I forgot to mention is the bag has an open bottom or gusseted bottom. Yeah, it's always a plus. Let's open it up. We're in. Oxygen absorber, or whatever you want to call it. Alright, there it is. You get this nice spicy scent coming out of it. There you can see the rice, the beans, and of course it's animal free. Alright, let's get the water in there. Our water is extremely hot. Alright. Yeah, that smells pretty good. Not bad. Let's give it a stir. We'll use our East German NVA spoon. You gotta make sure you get those corners. And this stuff has a nice smell to it. Very Cajun-y. Yeah, it's fogging up the lens. Alright, so okay, right away I can tell that it's gonna be a little bit runny. Maybe add less than half a canteen cup. Yeah, we still have to wait about 20 minutes, so I'll give it the full, you know what, I'll give it 25 minutes just to make sure everything's nicely cooked and rehydrated. So now we close it up. It's got a zip lock or zip seal. And I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but it looks like we had a malfunction with our zip lock. We don't have anything on this side, so we'll just fold it and hope it all goes well. So we'll be back in about 20 to 25 minutes. I hope you guys are enjoying the view just as much as I am. It's nice up here. I'm just kidding. Alright, it's been about 25 minutes, so let's see what the red beans and rice looks like. Let's get our canteen cup. I'll just get some of it in there. It's a lot of food, so we don't need that much. Yeah, I'm making a mess. Oh yeah. You can see there's still a bunch left, so we'll save that. We'll clean this up. Alright, let's have a look. And this is still really hot, so zoom in. There you have it. It looks and smells really good. So there you have the beans, the rice, and that's basically it. You just have a bunch of spices and seasoning. I think we should have a bite. All right, there you have it, Louisiana style rice and beans. And yeah, let's go for it. Oh wow, it's really good. It's got a nice garlicky flavor to it. You could definitely taste the cayenne pepper. The rice and beans are nice and tender. The only thing wrong with it, it could use a little bit of salt and a little bit more kick to it, a little bit more spice. Let's add some salt. We have some MRE salt. Let's add a little bit. All right. Just give it a little stir, not too much. All right, let's try it again. It's definitely a little bit spicy. It has a little bit of a kick. In my opinion, it could use a lot more of a kick since, you know, we're talking about Louisiana Cajun style. Let's add a little bit more. Let's get some Tabasco in there. And yeah, let's just let's get it all in there. Let's not hold back, and give it a nice mix. All right. All right, let's have one more bite with the salt and Tabasco. All right, let's go. That is a really good meal, almost homemade I would say. It's very good quality. Just carries some salt and a little bit of hot sauce and you have a really nice Cajun style meal. It rehydrated very nicely, and my experience with these meals, the Backpackers Pantry, give it another 5 to 10 minutes and it'll be worth the wait. Trust me, there's no crunchy bits and everything's nice and soft. Yeah, it's a great meal. I highly recommend it. And if you want to see more meals like this, like vegetarian rations, military rations, check out my friends at Animal Free MRE. I'll link them down below. They have a ton of videos and they're fun to watch, so make sure you check them out. Make sure you leave me a like, a comment. Let me know what you guys think. And yeah, any questions, any suggestions, please let me know. And I'll try to answer them as quickly as I can. And as always, thank you guys for watching. See you guys soon.